It can be difficult to find an affordable home, especially if you're looking in St. Albert. If you don't have $400,000 or $500,000, there's not a whole lot to choose from. That's why I think you're really gonna like checking out this home. It's a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath duplex, and it's priced at $350,000. So if you're getting a mortgage on it, your mortgage payment's gonna be less than $2,000 a month, and you could get into it for about $17,500 if you're only doing 5% down. Check it out. Located in Lacombe Park and just down the road from Ronald Harvey Elementary School, you could literally walk to that school in 2 minutes. It's also not far from Mckenney Avenue, so you can quickly get access to the rest of St. Albert, or you can go down Ray Gibbon Drive. That means that you can get into the city of Edmonton very easily and quickly. It's also pretty close to Belrose Composite High School and William D. Cutts Junior High School, which are both under a 5-minute drive. All right, let's take a look inside. So I just came in the front door, although you might use the side door more often since you'll be parking up on the side of the house. In the front entryway, you've got tile floor here and a nice coat closet. Then it kind of goes right up into the living room. And in the living room, I like this area. It's actually a pretty big room. They've got laminate floors in here. We've got a nice big window looking out the front. This is one of the only windows in the house that hasn't been replaced already. And over here, there's a wood-burning fireplace, which I know a lot of you will probably like having a wood-burning fireplace. But in case you don't, you can always put one of those gas inserts in here if you'd prefer to switch it up to a gas fireplace. It's also kind of nice that there's a ceiling fan in here so you can keep the airflow going throughout the house. And this room's actually quite large. It looks a little bit smaller than it is just because there's quite a bit of furniture in here, but if you had a little bit less furniture in here, you would have a lot of space. From the living room, we basically go right into the dining area, which is the centerpiece of the house. In here, we've also got tile floors. You've got enough room for a 4 to 6 seater table here. And from the dining room, you can obviously easily get into the living room, going upstairs to the bedrooms, downstairs to the basement, or over here into the kitchen. So let's take a look at the kitchen next. Walking into the kitchen, we still have the tile floor throughout the kitchen. And then you've got oak cabinetry and quite a bit of counter space, which is nice as well. So you'll always have enough room for preparing meals for your family. A lot of the appliances have already been upgraded. We've got a stainless steel fridge over there that also has a water dispenser and an ice dispenser, which is really nice. It's got the freezer on the bottom. Got a stainless steel stove as well, the glass flat top, and your hood fan. Over here, we've got a window. This is an east-facing window, so you're actually gonna get a lot of light coming in here, especially in the morning, so it'll be nice and bright. We've also got 2 more appliances over here as well. Got your dishwasher and the microwave. And there's really more than enough space in here. It's not gonna feel crowded. You've got enough room for a couple people to be working in the kitchen, and you're not gonna be stepping all over each other because you've got this nice open space here as well. So really like the kitchen. Let's take a look at what we've got over here. First things first is right here on my left is the pantry. And over here, this is a broom closet. It looks like it would be the pantry, but this is actually a broom closet, and you've got both of those easily accessible from the kitchen. And then of course, you've got your laundry area here. These are relatively new as well, with some extra storage above the laundry. Okay, let's take a quick look at the half bath. It's nice and roomy. It's also got another window looking out into the yard as well. Easy access from your kitchen or your living room. All right, so that pretty much finishes it up for the main level. We're gonna head upstairs next to look at all the bedrooms. Just wanna point out though that you can also get access to the basement and the side door from this stairwell here. But let's go check it out upstairs. Okay, so once you get upstairs, we enter a landing area. We're gonna take a look at the master bedroom first. This is a pretty big bedroom. There's quite a bit of furniture in here right now, but there's more than enough room to have a king-size bed, lots of dressers. If you wanted to set up a TV, you got room for that as well. This one has a nice big window that's also been upgraded, and it's overlooking the backyard that, like I said, gets a lot of light, especially in the morning. So let's go take a look at the main bath. It's right in the middle here, so you can easily access the main bath from any of the bedrooms, obviously. So here's your main 4-piece bathroom. Obviously, you've got your vanity here, your toilet, And this is a tiled tub shower, so it's nice and deep tub. You could get a decent bath in, and then it's nice that it's also tiled, and you've got the handle that you can take off. I can't remember quite what that's called, but it's nice and handy so you can adjust it and get everywhere you need to. So let's take a look at the other bedrooms. There is a closet here as well for a little bit of extra storage. And coming in, here's the first bedroom. I think this is probably the smallest bedroom in the house. It's also got a new window. This is looking out west facing, so you'll get more light in the evening on this side of the house. Got a decent sized closet there and laminate floors throughout as well. So we got one more bedroom up here, so that's a total of 3 bedrooms. In this bedroom, you can see it's a little bit bigger, I think. Again, you got a lot of space in here. You could easily fit a double bed. You've got a pretty decent sized closet as well, with more than enough room for some extra furniture. All right, so that pretty much finishes it upstairs. Let's go take a look at the basement next. All right, so we're now in the basement. The basement is partially finished, so it's got room for you to add a couple other things in here. This room right here is finished with a tile floor. Right now they're using it as a workout room. It could be a number of different things, storage, workout room, mini library, sitting area, playroom, you name it. There's also another big room over here, which they're currently using as a bedroom. Even though it's not completely finished, this could be a large rec room, or if you wanted to actually completely finish it, it could be a bedroom. There's enough room to add another full bathroom down here. There was a full bath on the top level and a half bath on the main level, and I think it would be great future addition to add another second full bathroom, and then you could actually bring this house up to either 3 bedroom, 2.5 baths, or potentially even a 4 bedroom, 2.5 baths. So the other thing that I really like about this basement is it doesn't really feel like a basement. If you notice this, we've got a very big window here, and there's also a couple more windows in the back. So once you finish this, you can really bring in a lot of light, and it's not gonna feel at all like a basement, and you've got a lot of really good usable space down here. So let's take a look at the utility room, and then we're pretty much done with the inside of the house. Okay, so let's head over here through this room again. Now we're going into the utility room. Right now they're using it for a lot of storage and a bit of a workshop space. There's actually a lot more room in here. It looks a little cramped, but you could definitely change that once the stuff's been removed. You've got your furnace and your hot water tank over here. And like I said, there are 2 more big windows here. You can't really see them very well, but if you did decide to finish this room, you could also bring in a lot of light here as well. And check out this driveway. We've got a lot of space on this driveway. You could easily fit 3 or 4 cars here. So you're gonna have lots of room for your whole family or even some guests. I like how it comes up right along the side of the house. You've got access to a side door here, which is probably the door that you'll use the most often. And like I said, you get a lot of sun here in this yard. You're basically facing east over there and west over here. So you're gonna get sun year round in this yard. It's awesome. And after you get to the end of your driveway, you've got a nice area here that works well as a patio. You can see that they've got lots of stuff set up in here, so you can set up some shade. And then it leads into the rest of the yard back here, which is a pretty good size as well. They've got lots of storage. You've got a shed over here, and then the yard opens up. And what's pretty cool is back here in the yard, you got a lot of green space, and they've actually got a fire pit. So if you wanted to roast some wieners or marshmallows with your family or just hang out with some friends, it's really good for that as well. And because of all the mature trees, you actually get shade in this part of the yard, which can be a nice switch up from all the sun that you're gonna get in that part of the yard. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video tour. If you'd like to watch more videos like this, you can click over here and subscribe, and that way you'll never miss another video, or you can click over here to view a playlist. If you'd like to see this home in person, feel free to reach out to me at 780-819-5508, or you can go to booktrevornow.com, select a time on my calendar, and then I will call you. Thanks so much for watching.